Hey everyone, welcome back to DreamsCar USA, the home of timeless luxury, legendary performance, and automotive icons that shaped history. Today, we're stepping into a masterpiece from the golden era of motoring, the Mercedes-Benz 300 SL Roadster in blue, a car that doesn't just move on the road, but moves the soul. Exterior, a rolling work of art. The Mercedes-Benz 300 SL Roadster is pure automotive sculpture. From the front, the iconic Mercedes star sits proudly in the wide chrome grille, flanked by elegant round headlights that define classic sophistication. The long hood stretches forward with smooth, flowing body lines, hinting at the powerful engineering beneath. Unlike the famous gull-wing coupe, the Roadster features beautifully designed conventional doors, giving it a more relaxed yet equally prestigious personality. The blue exterior paint adds a layer of refinement, deep, rich, and endlessly cinematic under sunlight. From the rear, the subtle chrome accents, rounded taillights, and clean trunk design reflect an era when simplicity meant elegance. On the street, the 300 SL Roadster commands attention effortlessly, turning every drive into a moving film scene. Interior, classic luxury, handcrafted elegance. Step inside the cabin, and you are transported to a time when craftsmanship ruled. The seats are wrapped in premium leather, offering both comfort and timeless style. The seating position feels low and intimate, connecting the driver directly to the road. The large, thin-rimmed steering wheel sits proudly in front of classic analog gauges, each dial telling a story of precision engineering. There is no modern infotainment here. Instead, the focus is on pure driving pleasure. Chrome accents, painted metal surfaces, and detailed door panels surround you, creating a cabin that feels both luxurious and authentic. Climate control is simple, functional, and true to the era, making every drive feel personal and mechanical in the best way possible. Price, $1 million legend. The Mercedes-Benz 300 SL Roadster is not just a car, it's an investment-grade classic. In today's market, well-preserved examples typically range between $1.5 million to over $2.5 million, depending on condition, originality, and history. This places the 300 SL Roadster among the most valuable and respected classic cars in the world, reserved for elite collectors and true automotive connoisseurs. Engine and performance, racing heritage on the road. Under that long hood lies a 3.0-liter inline-six engine, producing approximately 215 horsepower, revolutionary for its time. The car can reach a top speed of around 155 miles per hour, making it one of the fastest road cars of its era. Acceleration from 0 to 60 miles per hour happens in under 8 seconds, impressive even by modern standards for a classic. Fuel efficiency is modest as expected, but real-world driving is all about smooth cruising, mechanical engagement, and the unmistakable sound of a racing-inspired engine. This is a car built from motorsport DNA, refined for the open road. The Mercedes-Benz 300 SL Roadster Blue is more than luxury. It's history, performance, and elegance wrapped into one unforgettable machine. If you love legendary cars and cinematic automotive stories, you're in the right place. This is DreamsCar USA. And if this car captured your imagination, make sure to click the subscribe button, stay with us, and continue the journey into the world's most iconic dream cars.